Okay, we are going to do the closed basket weave ankle tape job. The reason for this will be to provide structural support around the outside of the ankle after an ankle sprain, or just if you want to solidify and support the joint for any sort of activity. So the first thing that we are going to put on is going to be our heel and lace pads. This is just going to help reduce friction, and so you put them in high friction areas, right in the front of the ankle and behind on the Achilles. Next, we're going to put on pre-wrap, and this is just to protect the skin. It's a really thin layer. It's a little bit stretchy, but it doesn't support it all. It just protects the skin. Will you straighten your leg out for me? Thank you. And we are going about the height if someone were to wear a tall sock. And we are just wrapping it around the foot till just past midfoot, and we want to make sure we don't have any gaps. Then from there, we are going to use 1.5 inch white tape. That's the correct size for an ankle tape job. We are going to put 2 anchors on the top of the tape job, angled slightly downward. And then 1 anchor around the foot, so that is 3 total. And then we are going to start our basket weave pattern. So we're going to do a stirrup, which is a piece of tape from the medial side all the way around to the lateral ankle. And we're going to layer that with something called a horseshoe. So the horseshoe is just a U-shaped strip around underneath the heel. Then we're going to repeat that 2 more times, so 3 total. 3 stirrups, 3 horseshoes. Last stirrup from medial to lateral side, and last horseshoe. Then from there we're going to do what's called a figure 8 pattern, which is going to be once around the foot and once around the back of the ankle, all connected. So once around the foot, once around the back of the ankle to stabilize. Then we are going to do a more tricky piece that's called a heel lock. So we're going to start on top, and this is going to solidify the ankle, come around the Achilles, back on top, and rip. So that was 1 heel lock on the left side of his foot. Now I'm going to do another on the inside, and I'm going to repeat that 2 times. So there should be 2 heel locks on each side, 4 total. You want to make sure you're smoothing down any pieces. And then after that, you're just covering up any gaps and doing circular strips all the way up the ankle back to our anchors. So again, this is a closed basket weave ankle tape job for ankle stability and support.